Hey guys, have you ever been frustrated when you accidentally deleted app from your phone only to realize that it was important? Finding the apps you have already deleted doesn't have to be a challenge. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly and easily find any app that has been previously deleted from your phone. After watching this video, you'll learn the simple step for locating and downloading all of your favorite apps onto your device once again. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. Get started, we will open our Google Play Store. Then we simply have to tap on our profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. You simply have to tap on manage apps and devices. Once you are on the screen, there you can see that there are two options at the top, overview and manage. You simply have to go to manage. Now as you guys can see that there is an option in the green box. It's named as installed. You'll click on this. Two options now, which is installed and not installed. You simply have to tap on not installed. Now after that, all of the apps that you have been previously installed and now you have deleted will be appear. So from here you can again install these apps, and if you want to get to games, then there is an option named as games. You can also go to there and you can select these options by their names, by their recently added or anything which you want. So now you can download them again and enjoy these apps. So guys, that's me in the end of the video. Hope you guys like this tutorial. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.